Hi everyone today, on this rainy day. As you can see, I'm with our friend here, Mr. Frog. Hi boys and girls, hello, and happy Halloween. That's true, Mr. Frog. Today is Halloween, October 31st. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about numbers. Numbers like in counting? Yes, Mr. Frog. Now, this video is made for beginners because if your English is advanced, you probably know your numbers in English. But you can still watch this video even if you can count in English because I'm in it. That's true, Mr. Frog. This video is for everybody, but especially for beginners. So, Mr. Frog, you want to start by teaching the boys and girls how to count from 1 to 10? Okay, but wait, what about 0? That's true, Mr. Frog. We also have 0. So start with 0 to 10. Okay, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, Mr. Frog. Now, did you get that, boys and girls? Let's practice with my fingers. So how many fingers am I showing you right now? How many fingers? I know, but don't give the answer yet, Mr. Frog. Okay, so how many, Mr. Frog? 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. And let's do it just one more time. So how many fingers? Okay, Mr. Frog, how many? 2. I think that's enough for numbers from 0 to 10. Now let's do the numbers from 11 to 20. Yes, Mr. Frog. Okay, so let's start with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good again, Mr. Frog. Now, did you get that? If not, you can always rewind. Now, what's interesting in English is the numbers from 13 to 19, they have something in common. Do you know what that is? Oh, I know. Wait a second, Mr. Frog. Let's have the boys and girls think for a few moments. What's so special about the numbers like 13, 14, up to 19? Do you know? Well, they all end in teen. Right, Mr. Frog, teen. Because in English, when you are 13 years old, or 14 years old, or 15 or 16, etc., you are a teenager. That means adolescent. Right, Mr. Frog. So a good way to remember those numbers is think of teenager when you are an adolescent. Because when you are, for example, 17 years old, you are an adolescent, a teen. Oh, I got that. So now let's continue with the numbers. Okay, so we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Good, Mr. Frog. You really know your numbers. Now, I hope you all got that, boys and girls. Now, before we continue, with 30 up to 100. We are going to stop at 100 because if not, this video will last forever. But before we continue, I want you to understand that in English, we usually say 20, 21, 22, etc. in Canada and the United States when we speak English. That means we do not say the T, right, Mr. Frog? Because if you see 20 written, it's written 20. But we say normally 20. But in British English and elsewhere, they might say 20, 21. So it's not a mistake to say the T. But if you want to speak like a Canadian or an American, just say 20. Or 26. Right, Mr. Frog. So let's continue with the tens. Okay, we have 30, 31, 32. Do we have to continue with 33? Because that's going to be long. Then we have 40. And that's true, Mr. Frog. And I think the boys and girls can understand that. If you know 30, then it's 31, 32. The same thing with 40. 40, 41, 42, 43. So to make it simple, let's just do the tens. So we talked about 20. Then we have 30. And what's after the 30s? We have 40. Then we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Or 100. The same thing. 100 or 100. Now, those are a lot of numbers, huh? Again, if you are a beginner, just do a little bit at a time. Like maybe learning to count from 0 to 10, then do 11, 12, up to 20, slowly but surely. Yes, that's a good idea there. So that's it for the lesson part of this video. In a few moments, Mr. Frog and I will be giving you a little quiz to help you practice these numbers. So see you in a few moments. Yes, see you soon.
A few moments later.
Welcome back. Now it's time for the quiz on the numbers. I have on these papers here some numbers. Mr. Frog is going to pick a paper, show you the number, and your job is to try to say the number in English. So are you ready? I hope so, because I am. So let's begin with the first paper. Okay, Mr. Frog, what do you have? I'll put this paper down. Oh, this number. So what is this number, boys and girls? What is it, Mr. Frog? It's 13. Right, 13. Now the next paper. This one. What do we have? 30. 30. Now be careful, boys and girls. This is 13. It ends in teen, like an adolescent. Teen. So 13, but 30. Is that clear? I know I understand. Okay, let's go, Mr. Frog. We still have 3 more to do. Okay, this one. Oh, you picked this lucky number. What is it, boys and girls? Lucky 7. It's a 7. Yes. Next. I'll take this one. We have here. What is this? Can I say the answer? Yes, you can, Mr. Frog. It's 26. Right. 26. And we have just one more. Well, you can pick it just the same, but it's only one paper, Mr. Frog. Okay, so what is this, boys and girls? Yes, what is it? 99. So I hope you did okay on this. If not, just keep on practicing. Now, Mr. Frog, would you like to tell the boys and girls good ways to practice numbers?
Oh, okay, yes, I would like to do that. So one way you can practice your numbers is with telephone numbers.
That's a good piece of advice, Mr. Frog. Practicing your numbers with telephone numbers. Another way we can practice our numbers.
You can also practice your numbers by counting money. And I like money.
That's true. You can count your change, like 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents.
Or $99.
Yes, well, that would be a lot of money for kids. So yes, you can count money. We talked about telephone numbers. Any other thing we can use to practice numbers?
Well, in stores, you can try to name the prices. Like if you see a box of cereal, you can say that the cereal is $4.12.
That's good advice, Mr. Frog. So there are many ways you can practice your numbers. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and I wish everyone a good day.
And of course, Happy Halloween!